need a little bit of a layer because at some point we're going to have some, I'm thinking probably lily pads at least. And then we'll see what else we end up growing. Okay, one of the things I just figured out as I was dumping all of this, Stacey mentioned something about how am I going to get the other stuff filtered out of the gravel. I said, well, I'll just drain it a little at a time. Well, my original plan, right there's the drain valve. I was going to put an access door there for the drain valve. Hindsight, the top was supposed to be opposite so that that would be in the rear of the tank. So as it stands right now, we'll probably just let it filter out and see what happens. We'll keep you posted on that part. All right, here. So obviously, this setup is gonna involve me get down in here. Up. There we go. Crazy. Just gotta say crazy. Anyways, let me turn you back around. Alright, so we have our setup here. It's not a lot of gravel, but I have my little pump here. This one happens to be a used one. Flows about 300 gallons per minute. Anyways, we'll stick it back up in here. And if you see, I got some access holes there or over there because it does have to have power. So we'll stick that there, and let's stick that there. Alrighty, hopefully I didn't screw up, and there we go. Had to make sure I found a hole big enough for the cord. Stick that through there. Oh, let's do a little bit of this. There we go. Bring this tube back down. Oh, there we go. We got the cord out. Yeah, I know. Some people don't like to watch this parts of the video. I'll have to cut it short later. But if not, there you go. So now I got that there. Keep the fine gravel from going in. I know it has a filter, but that'll keep it up off the ground fairly stable. Let's see. We'll stick this tube up through here, and I will go out and pull her through. Alright, let's see how we got it. Basically, it's just routed there. I'll put some zip ties once I get some water flowing and see how this is going to react. Because I think at some point I may drill a hole in here and have a nice fitting and have the option of adding a water feature, maybe some tubes going this way to circulate the water a little bit better. It just depends on how well the plants do, because in aquaponics you do have to worry about the nutrients reaching the fish. So let me rephrase that. The nutrients from the fish, the doo-doo stuff, get across to all the plants that you're growing equally. Obviously there's water in the whole top, but you need the water to flow equally around the whole top because it is square. It's not like a tube where it goes from one end to the other, but it does come from underneath. It'll come up to the top and then flow out that point. And of course, if we have some water features, then it'll be different. All right, now to getting some water in it. A little bit cloudy. We'll fill it up, let it settle, run the pump, see how it goes. think I got it a little bit too full. But it don't look too bad. I may have to make the tube a little bit smaller. Well, YouTubers, alright, here's what we got so far. It's not 100% done because I want to add like a waterfall, so I'll need to put a T in here so that way the water will be divided up. My first plants, watering Jew, I don't know the technical name. I apologize if anyone's offended on that. I know that's a typical name that we have always used. Beautiful plant, has a beautiful flower. Right now, this is a problem I have. It'll cause a siphon out, but again, everything is here nice and level and flowing like it needs to be. And here's what it looks like, fairly finished. Again, I got a front lip. See if you can see them in there. Got some goldfish. Have another plant in there. Got some stuff up here. But for the most part, this is done. It is an aquatic system, so hopefully you can hear with this wind blowing. It's a bad day. Anyways, yeah, it's a windy day. Anyways, that's my pond project. So that should wrap it up for that particular project from a build standpoint. At some point, we'll have more plants growing and more fish, and we'll see how it goes. So let's see if you can see again the beautiful mountains, a cloudy day, chance of rain. Thank you for coming out and visiting Southwest Desert Farming with Michael and Stacey. Come back, see us, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.